What happens when you eat these powerhouse leafy greens every day? Imagine a single addition to your diet that could boost your immunity, protect against chronic diseases, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Leafy greens are that nutritional powerhouse. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they're nature's medicine cabinet. A 2021 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that people who consumed higher amounts of leafy greens had a 15% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 20% reduced likelihood of developing diabetes. Despite these benefits, the average adult in the United States consumes only 1.7 cups of vegetables daily, far below the recommended 3 cups, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. It's time to change that. Today we're diving into the leafy greens you absolutely need in your diet and how to make them a part of your daily routine. The top powerhouse leafy greens one. Kale, known as the Queen of Greens, kale is a nutrition superstar. Just 1 cup of raw kale provides 684% of your daily vitamin K needs, 206% of your daily vitamin A needs, 134% of your daily vitamin C needs. Health benefits: powerful antioxidant protection. Kale's high levels of flavonoids, beta-carotene, and vitamin C combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Bone strength and density. Its high calcium and magnesium content play crucial roles in bone mineralization, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Digestive health and detoxification. The fiber in kale supports gut microbiota, promoting digestion and regular bowel movements while aiding the liver in detoxifying harmful substances. Heart health and cholesterol regulation. Studies suggest that kale consumption helps lower LDL cholesterol levels by increasing bile acid binding, which supports cardiovascular health. Supports eye health. Kale is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. How to eat kale. Toss kale into smoothies for a nutrient-packed breakfast, or massage it with olive oil and lemon juice for a tender salad. You can also bake kale chips for a guilt-free crunchy snack. Interesting fact, a study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that steaming kale can enhance its antioxidant properties by up to 40%. 2. Spinach. Spinach is a versatile leafy green that's as nutritious as it is delicious. 1 cup of raw spinach offers 181% of your daily vitamin K needs, 56% of your daily vitamin A needs, 6% of your daily iron needs. Health benefits: iron-rich energy booster. Spinach is a plant-based source of non-heme iron, which plays a critical role in oxygen transport and energy production, reducing fatigue and preventing anemia. Eye health and vision protection. Lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants found in spinach, protect against macular degeneration and cataracts by filtering harmful blue light. Cardiovascular support. Spinach is high in nitrates, which enhance blood flow, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Cognitive function and brain health. Contains folate and vitamin E, which are linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Blood sugar regulation. Compounds in spinach help slow glucose absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. How to include spinach. Add fresh spinach to omelets, blend it into green smoothies, or saute it with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. Statistic: a Harvard Medical School report highlighted that a diet rich in spinach can reduce the risk of cataracts by 18% and age-related macular degeneration by 25%. 3. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a colorful and nutrient-dense leafy green that deserves a place on your plate. 1 cup provides 44% of your daily vitamin A needs, 18% of your daily vitamin C needs, 13% of your daily potassium needs. Health benefits: heart health and blood pressure control. Swiss chard's high potassium and magnesium levels help relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Gut and digestive health. Packed with fiber, Swiss chard promotes a healthy gut microbiome, improves digestion, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Anti-inflammatory and liver detoxification. Betalains in Swiss chard exhibit strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, which aid in liver function and toxin removal. Skin health and anti-aging. High vitamin A and C content promotes collagen production, improves skin elasticity, and protects against oxidative stress. Supports bone health. Swiss chard provides vitamin K, which is crucial for bone mineralization and reducing fracture risk. Meal ideas. Use Swiss chard leaves as wraps for sandwiches or saute them with onions and balsamic vinegar for a flavorful side. Research insight. Studies from the American Heart Association suggest that potassium-rich diets, such as those including Swiss chard, can reduce the risk of stroke by 27%. 4. Arugula, sometimes called rocket. Arugula is a peppery green that's low in calories but high in nutrients. A 100-gram serving contains 25% of your daily calcium needs, 47% of your daily vitamin K needs, health benefits, blood pressure and circulation. Arugula's high nitrate content helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. Bone strength and density. Calcium and vitamin K are crucial for maintaining strong bones, preventing fractures and reducing osteoporosis risk. Cancer prevention. Arugula contains glucosinolates, compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers by promoting detoxification and inhibiting cancer cell growth. How to use arugula. Use arugula as a salad base, mix it into pesto for a spicy kick, or layer it on sandwiches for added flavor and nutrition. Interesting fact. 5. Collard greens. A staple in southern cooking, collard greens are as nutritious as they are hearty. 1 cup of cooked collard greens provides 1,045% of your daily vitamin K needs, 45% of your daily vitamin C needs, health benefits, liver detoxification. Collard greens contain glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds that activate detoxification enzymes in the liver, helping the body eliminate harmful toxins and carcinogens. Bone health and strength. With significant amounts of calcium and vitamin K, collard greens help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Digestive health and gut support. Their high fiber content aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and supports a healthy gut microbiome, reducing the risk of constipation and bloating. Heart health and cholesterol reduction. Collard greens contain bile acid-binding compounds that help lower cholesterol levels, improving cardiovascular health. Best preparation methods. Simmer collard greens with smoked turkey for a classic southern dish, or use them as wraps in place of tortillas. Statistic: according to the Journal of Functional Foods, glucosinolates in collard greens may reduce the risk of colon cancer by up to 30% when consumed regularly. 6. Watercress. Watercress is a lesser-known green that packs a powerful nutritional punch. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry ranked watercress as the most nutrient-dense vegetable per calorie. Nutritional highlights: high in vitamins A, C, and K, rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants. Health benefits: cancer-fighting properties. Watercress contains powerful phytochemicals like glucosinolates, which have been shown to neutralize carcinogens and slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and lung cancers. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content enhances white blood cell function, strengthening the body's ability to fight infections. Healthy skin and hair. Watercress promotes collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and hydration while also supporting strong, healthy hair. Cardiovascular benefits. Rich in nitrates, watercress helps to improve circulation, reduce blood pressure, and support heart health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Its potent antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which is linked to chronic diseases like arthritis and diabetes. How to eat watercress. Add it to salads for a peppery flavor, blend it into green soups, or use it as a garnish for sandwiches. Fact: regular consumption of watercress has been shown to improve skin elasticity and hydration, as noted in a study from the British Journal of Nutrition. Why these greens stand out. The term powerhouse refers to their nutrient density, the amount of vitamins and minerals per calorie. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, leafy greens like watercress, chard, and spinach top the charts for nutrient density, providing more nutrients per calorie than almost any other food group. Including these greens in your diet helps combat nutrient deficiencies, supports longevity, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Tips for incorporating leafy greens into your diet. Smoothies. Blend kale, spinach, or watercress with frozen fruit and almond milk for a delicious green smoothie. Wraps. Use collard green leaves as wraps instead of tortillas for a low-carb meal. Fill them with hummus, grilled chicken, or veggies. Soups. Add Swiss chard or spinach to soups and stews for extra nutrition. Salads. Make arugula or watercress the base of your salads. Add a protein like grilled salmon or chickpeas for a complete meal. Snacks. Bake kale into crispy chips with olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Storage tips. To maximize freshness and nutrient retention, store greens in a perforated plastic bag in the refrigerator. Wash them only before use to avoid premature spoilage. Conclusion: Powerhouse leafy greens are some of the most nutrient-packed foods you can eat. From kale's bone-strengthening properties to spinach's energy-boosting nutrients, each offers unique benefits that make it a vital addition to your diet. A diet rich in leafy greens has been linked to a 20% reduced risk of heart disease and improved cognitive function in older adults, as shown in studies by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Start small by adding a handful of greens to your meals, and soon they'll become a staple in your kitchen. Remember, the road to better health begins with what you put on your plate. Don't miss out on more content like this. Subscribe to our channel for weekly health tips and recipes that will transform your lifestyle. Let's grow healthier together.